In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget savings in Monarch Money. Whether you're new to budgeting or simply looking to use Monarch Money more effectively, this guide will walk you through creating a savings budget in the app. Let's get started. First things first, open the Monarch Money app on your device. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your personal dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the home screen, which is the central hub for managing your finances in the app. Next, navigate to the Budgets section. You can do this by tapping on the Budgets tab located at the bottom of your screen. This tab is your gateway to organizing your finances and is where we'll be focusing our attention today. Now that you're in the Budget section, look for the option to create a new budget. To do this, tap the plus add budget button. This is where the power of Monarch really begins to shine, allowing you to customize your budgeting categories to suit your unique financial goals. After adding a new budget, it's time to allocate a category specifically for savings. You can choose an existing category labeled Savings, or if you have more specific savings goals in mind, such as a vacation fund or an emergency savings account, feel free to create a custom category. Creating a dedicated category helps you track exactly where your money is going and ensures you're setting aside the right amount for future needs. Once you've set your category, you'll want to determine the amount you wish to save each month or period. Carefully consider your current financial status and any upcoming expenses you might anticipate. Enter this chosen amount into the app where prompted. This step is crucial as it gives you a tangible target to work towards and helps you monitor your progress. For additional flexibility, Monarch offers a feature to enable flex or rollover savings. If you opt for this, any unused money from this period can automatically roll over to the next. It's an excellent way to ensure your savings goals remain intact, even if you occasionally under budget. Finally, don't forget to save your new budget settings by tapping the Save or Done button. This action locks in your newly created savings plan, and from here on out, Monarch Money will track your savings progress. All the information will be accessible anytime you open the app, giving you peace of mind and a clear understanding of your financial journey. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up a savings budget within Monarch Money. By actively managing your savings, you'll be taking a significant step towards financial security and achieving your financial goals. Make sure to revisit your budget regularly to make any necessary adjustments and to track your savings progress over time. Thanks for tuning in and happy budgeting.